Hello children, welcome to Vivid Botany. We have a question about the source of the bacteria of different kinds. Let us see here. Let me give you some examples of different kinds of bacteria. For example, let us see the streptokinase. Streptokinase, it is used as clot buster, and this is obtained from streptococcus. Strepto means chain, coccus means spherical bacteria. And ethyl alcohol, we know, very famous. Ethyl alcohol is obtained from yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Acetic acid, it's also called vinegar, it is obtained from Acetobacter aceti and Acetobacter pasteurianum, named after Louis Pasteur, the famous scientist from immunology. And lactic acid is obtained from lactobacillus or lactic acid bacteria. And citric acid is obtained from Aspergillus niger. Aspergillus niger is very famous. From Aspergillus flavus, aflatoxin is obtained, that is carcinogenic. And Aspergillus is a member of Ascomycetes, right? It's also called fungus ball. And butyric acid. Butyric acid is obtained from Clostridium butylicum. Clostridium butylicum. And botulism or botulin is a toxin. This toxin is obtained from Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium botulinum, it's a toxin. And cyclosporin A. Cyclosporin A is obtained from Trichoderma. Trichoderma is not bacteria, but I am adding here Trichoderma polysporum. It is a fungus of Deuteromycetes members. And statins. Statins are the cholesterol lowering agents acting competitive inhibitors. The statins are obtained from Monococcus purpureus. Monococcus purpureus is again a kind of yeast that belongs to Ascomycetes member. And propionic acid. Propionic acid is obtained from Propionobacterium. Propionobacterium propionum. Propionobacterium propionum. Propionobacterium shermani is very famous in cheese. Remember that. And so these are some of the examples of the source of bacteria. And we know that many antibiotics, for example, streptomycin, a big list goes on here. Streptomycin is obtained from Streptomyces griseus. Streptomyces griseus. And Streptomyces griseus is actinomycete. Actinomycete, we know it is filamentous bacteria. So many of the antibiotics like kanamycin, oxytetracycline, neomycin, right, and griseofulvin, and what is that used for throat infection, erythromycin, all that are obtained from actinomycetes only. And streptomycin is the one of the first antibiotics, that is the term antibiotic coined by Waxman, and first antibiotic is penicillin obtained from Penicillium notatum, Penicillium chrysogenus by Alexander Fleming and Ernest Chain, Howard Florey. So let us see the question here. Aspergillus niger, that is citric acid. Acetobacter acetic, Acetobacter pastorianum, that is acetic acid. Clostridium butylicum, that is butyric acid. Lactobacillus, that is from lactic acid. So A3 present here only. So this is the right answer. Then B is 1. This is correct. And then C4 is 4. This is also correct. Lactobacillus D is 2. Yeah, this is also correct. So option is here. The 1 is option. So here he is testing our memory power. Always remember the last chapter, that is Microbes in Human Welfare. This chapter contains so many points that need to remember. This chapter as well as the strategies, both the chapters are very much important. One has to go through the chapters in the last minute or in the last day or in the last hour. What I am saying, that when you are going to when you are going to put up a full stop for your preparation in the last minute, on the last hour, in the last day, you have to go through all these. I mean, what is the chapter? Microbes in Human Welfare, and the other is the strategies, because so many microbes are there, the tables are given there. You have to remember them very carefully without any, what do you call, difficulty, right? So I gave you here some lists of the microbes and their sources. I hope this is helpful for you. I always suggest you to make a list of the antibiotics, or you say the chemicals that are obtained from different sources of bacteria. For example, methane. Methane is obtained from methanogens. What are methanogens? That is methylophilus, methylotropous, right? And these methanogens are also source of SCP, methylophilus, methylotropous, all these, methylococcus, they are all examples of SCP as well as the methane also. So better you should make a list of all these bacteria, and it's always better to go through them once again before going to the exam. I mean, one day before or 2-3 hours before. And if you make a list, it will be easy for you to go through them again and again. Okay, so thank you very much. And I will be guiding you throughout this year for the NEET preparation. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, Vivid Botany. Thank you.